Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for LinkedIn traffic monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button located on the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address. Create a strong password that meets Shopify's security guidelines. Choose a unique store name that reflects your brand. Complete the initial setup form, providing information about your business. Select your business type, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Enter your address and contact information to comply with legal requirements. Click on the Enter My Store button to access the Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select Plan from the Settings menu to choose a suitable pricing plan. Review the available plans and select one that aligns with your business needs. Enter your payment information to activate your subscription. Once your plan is active, navigate to the Online Store section in the dashboard. Click on Themes to select or customize a theme for your store. Choose a pre-designed theme or upload your own, depending on your preferences. Use the theme editor to personalize your store's appearance and layout. Add essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and Privacy Policy to build trust. Create product listings by clicking on Products and then Add Product. Input product details, including title, description, image. Ensure your products are well organized using categories and tags. Integrate payment gateways by navigating to Settings and then Payments. Choose options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or other third-party processors. Set up shipping preferences through the Settings tab, configuring rates and zones. Once your store is ready, return to the Online Store section and select Preferences. Optimize your store for LinkedIn traffic by filling in. Link your store to your professional LinkedIn account by sharing your store link. Engage with your LinkedIn audience by posting relevant content about your products. Use LinkedIn ads to promote your store further and attract more visitors. Monitor traffic through Shopify's analytics tools to track performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.